Guys, this is going to be a quick video. So in this video, what I'm going to show you is if you want to track your meeting activities for your SDRs or your AEs to see the number of meetings they've conducted, what was the outcomes of those meetings. This is a quick video which would help you achieve just that. So I'm in my reports user interface for HubSpot. I'll click on custom reports. Next, what I'll be needing over here is contacts as well as uh, activities. So click on next. Okay, so over here, what I'll be doing is I'll be selecting the pivot table because I've seen that this is the report UI which gives you the most clarity in terms of meeting activities. So I'll select pivot table under fields. Under values, what I'll select is count of activities. For that, I'll come to filters. Uh, I'll select activity type is any of meeting. Okay, and assign to. So I'll select activities assigned to because a lot of people in your organization would be scheduling meetings. So we would not want reports of all of these. We just want our SDRs or our AEs activities to be tracked. Activity is any of. So what I'll do is I'll select HubSpot team is any of. So what I've done over here is I've already created teams for my SDRs and my team. So I'll just select those. Okay. And I'll click on apply. And the date, activity date is this year so far, this year. Activity type is any of meeting. I don't know why it did not save this part earlier. Okay. So I now have my three filters over here. Team is any of SDR or AEs, activity date is this year, and activity type is meeting. So I have a count of activities in my values. And what I'm going to do is activity assigned to would come under my rows and the meeting outcomes would come under columns. Okay. And that's it. I have everything which I require over here. On the left hand side, if you see, these would be the activities which have been conducted by the AEs or SDRs. And you see the meeting outcomes for all of them. How many of them are scheduled, number of ones which are completed, cancelled, and no values. So in a way, it also helps you understand how SDRs or your AEs are approaching these meetings. And if you see a lot of these in this particular data set have no values, so I can go back to those teams and just ask them to update all of their meetings with the correct meeting outcome so that all of this is always populated and is accurate. So yes, that's how you do it. That's how you track your meeting performances for your SDRs or AE teams. And that is it. Thank you.